Hey everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to pull your profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online so you can see exactly where your revenue and expenses stand. Let's get into it. Step 1. Navigate to Reports. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Click on the Reports tab. This is the hub for all your financial data. Step 2. Locate the profit and loss. In the standard reports list, you should see profit and loss right at the top under your favorites. If you don't see it, just type profit and loss into the search bar and select it. Step 3. Set your date range. Now, look at the top of the report. Use the report period drop-down to choose the time frame you want to see, like this month to date or this fiscal year. This ensures you're looking at the specific data you need. Step 4. Choose your accounting method. Next to the dates, you'll see accounting method. Switch between cash money actually received, paid, or accrual money invoiced, billed depending on how you track your books. Then, hit the green Run Report button. Step 5. Export or print. Once the data loads, you can review your net income at the bottom. If you need to send this to an accountant or your bank, click the export icon, the small paper with an arrow, to save it as a PDF or Excel file. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.